First of all, I want to say thank you to all participants for attending this two-day demo class for data analysis in R and AI. I hope maximum participants have joined. Now let's start. Today is the demo class for batch 85. In this demo class, we will discuss the content of this demo class are here. First part of this demo class is introduction. Introduction about me, about training. Today training is introduction section. Second section will be reviews, or I will show you progress of my previous batches. And last section will be questions, will be for questions. You will be allowed to ask questions according to your requirement or according to your need. Okay, start from first